This is a continuation of what's in my bug out bag, or as I like to call it, my grab and go bag that I keep in my laundry room, which is right the exit to the garage. So today I thought I'd go over my fire kit. And I wish I had in the background, right? Arthur Brown singing fire, you know, I am the God of hellfire and I bring you fire. Dun-dun-dun. Anyway, because of copyright laws, I cannot do that. But hopefully, those of you that remember some of the 70s, you might remember that song and could hum along while you're watching this video. So, there's a lot, you know, fire is something that can bring you warmth. It can bring you comfort. It can cook your food. It can light up your space. And, of course, in my case, once it burnt down my house. But fire has a lot of aspects that are comforting to people. And I mean, I'm thinking about when I was in high school, right? Oh, another song is coming up. Now it's Kid Rock, All Summer Long, Northern Michigan. Anyway, when you'd go camping and you'd all sit around the campfire, maybe have a beer, even though you were underage, right? But it was great. And you'd talk about all kinds of subjects, but you were around a campfire. And maybe you smoke a couple of marshmallows. Anyway, fire has a lot of memories for me, but when you're making a fire kit, you're really making it for one purpose. And that usually is to cook food or to keep you warm. So my fire kit is very, very simplistic, and I thought I'd go over what I have and see what you all thought about it. But I don't have one of those huge fire kits because you know what? Those are heavy to carry around. So here is my Minimalist Fire Kit. So you can see there's a patch here on the front. It says fire, there's a little campfire. I put some sticky Velcro backing on this. And I think I got this patch in a pocket box. And I didn't know what else to do with it. It works fine on this kit. So this little zippered pouch here is what my son got earbuds in. And he said, hey, it's a nice little kit container. Mom, would you like it? Because he knows I love to build kits. So I said, sure. So this is what I built with it, my fire kit. Let's get into it. Got two zippers here. So the first thing you really see here is the wet fire. And there's another one back there. And those are great when the conditions are rainy or the ground is very wet and you're having problems getting good tinder. These work great. So I've got two of them because like today I was going to be building a fire and film it outside. And of course we had like monsoon weather this weekend, which we needed because things were dry. But raining again today, so I couldn't go out and do the video outside. But if I was going to make a fire, wet fire would definitely be advantageous. And you notice in the back, I put the expiration date. So it's December of 2020. Those are there. Well, and what's this? Okay. It's a Bic Lighter. Standard Bic Lighter. Yes, I have one in this case, one Bic Lighter. But in my grab and go bag, or my bug out bag, if you want to call it, I have two more lighters in various compartments because I think that, you know, really a lighter is the easiest way to start a fire. Now, I also have here this little Exotech, and it's a ferro rod. Let me show you how it works. Okay, you unscrew this, so here's your rod. Then we're going to unscrew this side. And then we put this back in here. Yeah, if I can screw it in right. There we go. And you have here your striker, which it works really great, but I'm not going to use a striker right now because I don't want to have sparks go on my desk. But anyway, that's the Exotech ferro rod. And back here, oh, look at that nice fat jute. This is wonderful jute. I got this from the people who sent me my bow drill. Just wonderful jute. And this is such an easy fire starter. You just separate the threads and fray it, and it's really easy to start a fire with a ferro rod. So I have a little jute. Another thing I have is this live fire. Open it up like this. Another great thing to start a fire with. And this is the smaller size. It does come in larger sizes, but this fits perfect into my fire kit. So here's the kit opened up with nothing in it. You can see it has a pocket back there, a pocket there, but it's nice and cushioned, so I think it's a great kit to carry everything I need to start a fire. So here's what's in the kit again. The live fire, 2 wet fires, heavy duty jute twine, just fantastic jute twine, a standard Bic lighter, and an Exotech ferro rod. Okay, this is Prepper Potpourri. You saw my fire kit. I hope you liked it. And I'd love to know what you carry in your fire kit. Please comment below. As always, please subscribe, share the knowledge, and thumbs up if you like this video. Thank you so much.